Welcome to Minecraft. This time we're doing block dash. Last time we finished our mega mess ups. Now we're doing one block. And the goal for this video is just to get. Let's pick a place. Come on, let's pick a place. A goal for this video is to get. I don't know. Where do we want to get? Okay, let's get. Which one is closest to us? I don't know. Don't want to go there, it seems boring. Let's go to the mushroom place. Okay, let's do this. So the idea is we just do this, we will get something cool hopefully. Just gonna bang at it a little bit until we get something we can use. Alright, let's see what we have. And I feel like we have to make it a little bit secure. Don't want to fall. Could be problem with Eric. Let's just bang at it for a while. Oh, what is that? Kinda want it. Enchanting with normal. Okay. Well, just make it a little bit secure. So if we damn it, get a mob, we can mob cones, maybe a zombie or something, we can pretty much just run it off. So there's not one way, there are two ways. We are getting closer by that. Don't want to ruin our pickaxe, we want to... Oh, nice. Is there a shovel? How fast is it? Don't do that. Nice. Huh. Oh, is it? Hard to see why do we need that? Love that we are getting food. We like food. We need it. Now we're just gonna bang at it for a while and see what we will get. Okay, let's see what we have. 10 of these guys. Nice. Okay. Now we're a little bit closer to it. I'll just bang at it again. Oh, nice. Just bang at it a little bit and see. Oh, is it a sword? We may need a weapon. Especially when nighttime comes around. Love this. Hahaha. Okay. Maybe it's time to see what we have. Can we put it in? Cool to have magma. Nice. 25, oh nice. That could get us close to it. Haha. Okay, let's see what happens if we just do one. Want to get there so badly. Yeah. How close are we? We are pretty close. This game is a game of time and luck, I guess. And you know what you'll get when you hit that block. Oh, raining, great. That's great. It's nighttime as well. We know the mobs will come out and play. No mobs just yet, so yeah. I think we need to go back. Oh, whoa, okay. That is scary. Yep, we need to go back. Almost there though, so that is pretty cool. Let's hope it's worth it getting there. Let's get us some more stuff. Oh, this thunder is scary, man. What is going on? What is going on? Okay, let's just ping at it for a while. A lot of apples. The shovel is coming in handy. Very handy. Oh, damn it. Oh, damn it. What are we doing? Not our intention to ruin anything. Do we have... What is going on? Can we fly now? Okay. Okay, there's a very random thing to get in this. Very useful as well. What? You're telling me we can fly now? Or like... Yes. I don't know if we should try it. Could just be problematic. Let's try one thing out. No, we need to double deck it just for safety. Just for safety, we need to double deck it. Skeleton or whatever could come any minute now. It just spawned here apparently. Should we try flying there? I don't know. Let's see. We have what we need. Oh. Let's just try it. No. 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 Okay, we took a risk there. Didn't pay off. Damn it. Damn it. This is what happens. You take a risk, you lose your stuff. Oh, golden boots. Nice. Yeah. I think getting the wings was probably the best thing you could get in this, and here we are, just wasting it. Not a good move. ættu að gera pickaxe or something. Oh, spider eye, nice. Huh? What is that? Okay. 55. I think you can do something with that. Let's go. Double decking it alright. I mean, this thunder is kinda scaring me, I will admit that. Okay, no mobs. That's a plus. Okay, now I just need to get down there. That could be a problem. Okay, what is that? Alright. Okay. What is that? You'll find out. Nice to have a pickaxe right now. Oh, damn it. Haha. Alright. This is awesome. Let's go. Oh, this is going greater than I thought it would. This is great. Haha. We are getting down here. Let's hope this chest is worth it or not. You'll be pissed off. Are you kidding me? How much of a letdown was that? What is going on? Damn it. Er það? Yes. Okay. We're going there next. Oh. Okay, this is scary. Scary. Damn it, man. Damn it. Haha. Why is it diamonds? No. What is down there? Another chest. Or should we risk it? I think we should risk it. There's another chest down there. I think we should risk it. Not sure. Let's hope there's something worth it in there. Haha. This place has been letting us down a lot since we came here. Come on. Awesome. Awesome. Let's hope there's something worth it in that chest. Alright, damn it. Okay, moment of truth. Will we fall down? I don't like this. Ah, wow. Phew. Is it a risk? I think so. Haha. I think we're making it. What? Ah, okay, we made it. No! No! What is going on? No! Damn it! No! Okay, I don't like this. Okay. Is there something cool, more cool here or what? Nope. Okay, we made it to our goal number 1. What will we do next? We don't know. We have no idea what we'll do next. Time will tell us, I guess. Let's try to get back. Need to regroup. Ah. Oh. I guess we just want to thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Press the like button. We will see you again next week, where we try to get to another place. Hopefully find something cool we don't know, but yeah, let's see. This was a letdown at least. Hahaha.